dumplings. We got them secured. Yeah, she got the jumbo one, and I got two normal size. Phoebe, stop. Come on, let's keep walking. Okay, Michaela, don't open your. Wait, I'm the birthday girl. Yeah, Michaela. She already opened it?
No. Michaela got a jumbo.
She's not the birthday girl. Okay.
Brielle?
Not the same one as Phoebe.
Yeah, she got a new one.
But no, did you get sugar texture or no?
No.
So, we got these. They're fake, we know. So,
Wait, Michaela, do you want to come over here with us? Yeah.
okay. I need to open mine. Can Phoebe?
You can open after Brielle.
Phoebe, can you open? Can you
Brielle
record me?
Is
Like,
open
with my hands. 2 hands. Record me. Do they both have a good angle?
Yeah.
Guys,
Brielle is
so
opening hers first.
I need the rare one or the pink one. No, or the white one. Mom, you can sit over here. Okay. Why is it taped? It's taped.
Bro. You know what you guys are.
Okay, guys. It's Mom, it's taped. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1. I got the rare!
You got the rare.
I got the rare! It's sugar. I got the rare. It's sugar texture. Okay, you can start recording now. Okay, so she wants blue, red, or the rare.
Okay, let me know. Want me to help you with the tape?
I got the rare, and it's my birthday. It was taped. If it's taped, then that's it's taped. Hers is taped. Do you guys see that? It's taped. Wait, is yours taped, Phoebe?
Yeah.
Oh, all of ours are taped. I can't believe
Want me to get the
it.
tape off?
I got the rare.
You got it good. Okay.
Okay, Michaela. Michaela, come on. We're recording you. It's going to be on a million people are going to see.
What?
Yeah. Come on. Oh, do you want me to help? Okay, you got it. Okay, open it. Open it. Maybe just rip it.
Yeah.
Wait. I saw the color.
Don't tell. Don't tell. Wait, do we need help?
I got it. I saw it. It's really good. I
Oh, nice.
I told you. Wait, can I feel it? Oh, it's like, hold on. It has a lot of air. It's like, it's Orbeez.
Nice. That's so cool.
Aww. I wish I got that.
Get the glitter dumpling and both of you do.
I wish I got that now.
You still have money left over?
I do like my sugar texture though.
They both got
I'm so happy for you,
I
Michaela.
hope I get it too.
Don't let Liam eat it. Okay.
Want me to hold one?
I'm sure. Get a good angle. I'm so happy for you, Michaela.
Okay.
And me. I like sugar texture a bit better. Like the big ones, like it's wait, I don't like
For
sugar.
open it, I hope I get pink, white, or blue.
Pink, white, or blue. Okay.
Whoa! Pink!
too.
Wait,
it's
no.
glittering too.
Wait, I don't think that's a rare because I think the rare is golden.
True. But it's still sugar texture.
I think is it or is it every color? Like if it's pink, it's like this because hers is golden. I don't think this is the rare.
It's okay.
Well, yeah, I'm kind of happy I didn't get the big one because it's hard for me to squeeze my big one. Like it's so big.
Okay, there's your pretzel.
So guys, we got pretzels. Which one's mine? Yeah. So thank you for watching us be happy. Now I got this delicious pretzel. Phoebe, wait. Mom, can you record me? Thank you. Look at this, guys. I'm still recording, guys. It smells so good. Mom, do you want to bite?
No, it's okay. You can
Does
have it.
anyone want a little bit? I'll rip it.
Okay, ready? Here, I'll give this back to you so I can.
Can you press the red button?